So here we go, turbo install just finished up on another 1HZ Toyota Land Cruiser 75 series. It's got about 250,000 Ks, 250,000 kilometres on it. We're just turbocharging it. Probably even looks still a bit dirty and a bit dusty and everything else, but we'll get all that finished up by the time we're finished doing its final checks. Everything's in there, from stainless steel rated water lines, all the ducting here to and from the turbo, keeps the original air cleaner lid, all good to go. So we'll give it a bit of a clean down. Original heat shield, even though it's a bit old and rusty compared to the old nuts that broke and we've had to put new ones in, it's got a new manifold actually hidden in under there. So everything's sort of set here to go. We'll get it up and running, do some road testing. If you're thinking about turbocharging your old diesel, don't despair. Yes, there's a lot of bad rumours getting around about blowing engines and all sorts of things. All we can say, after so long of doing turbocharging, there's nothing wrong with turbos. There's a lot of problems with guys over-tuning, simple as that, and blowing engines up and going over the limit. So if you want things set correctly, come to somebody like us here at Berrima Diesel. You can keep watching our Facebook for more of these videos. You can also go to our YouTube channel or find out more technical data at berrimadiesel.com.